faltó una. Oh, this light ain't on. Alright. So what's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna finish off as much as we can on V8 Nation's truck. That way we can give it back to him, get it ready hopefully by this weekend. So we're gonna go ahead and get started just assembling the interior on the truck, and we'll move on from there. Here I have the door handles, left and right. So we're gonna replace these with some new ones. These are the left and the right. So the only thing we need to change out up here are the key locks or the key fob by using a flathead screwdriver. Just remove this little pin right here. Oops. And that's it. Just there we go. Alright, the driver door handle is already installed. The screws right there, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and there it is, guys. This door is fully built except for the mirror. Either we're gonna paint the ones it had, or we'll just get it some new ones. But so from out here, door handle, I think this is the first thing that goes on, the door handle. That way the window doesn't be on the way when it comes down to all 3 bolts. But put the window second. So here it is. Clamped it down, and then I didn't really tighten it till I put this, which comes in third. This weather strip, because the window has to go in through there. Like once you close it all the way up, then you can tighten up the 2 bolts for the window. That way we know it's centered. So the window's installed from the outside. We also put this little plastic that goes in third. So right here in the very corner, just behind this little weather strip, you just put that one in and then just set it down and it clips into place. Once we have all this up, we move on to the door. Just install the door, just put it, slide it down. There's a little bolt right here and then another one down here. After that, just the window knob and then this plastic thing. And I also put this because, I mean, it's just a clip, but here are the 3 bolts for the mirror when we get to that part. Over here, I put the plastics back and the weather strip. Put this connecting piece at the very bottom and then all the way around. So put this one in, and then over here on top we have this first plastic. It has a few bolts right here. Those are Torx right here. And then this plastic weather strip right here for the door. So now the whole door closes up right. Alright, so next up I have some parts that still need to be painted. Just finished up this passenger door and everything's looking pretty good. So next up I have some parts that need to be painted, which is like the front bumper, tailgate, grill, and I believe some fender flares. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on those. I'm gonna go ahead and sand them and we'll go ahead and start painting right now. So here we go. They're already sanded and, you know, worked with body filler. Over here I have the fender flares. These are from the last project Silverado that I painted with the single stage gunmetal gray. I took off the front fender flares, which it only had the front two, and it was missing the back two. That is crazy. That's ugly, yo. I hate spiders, and I was just sanding that. Alright, yo. So I painted I sanded the They'll probably try to attack. That is crazy. I need to kill that. So I have the fender flares right here already sanded. Everything is already sanded. The compressor filled with air. Just need to mix the paint. I'm going to start with the primer filler. After that, the sealer, base coat, clear coat. I just need to cover up this little juke, throw plastic on it, just like I did right here on the truck and on the motorcycle, just to help with the overspray. Today was actually a beautiful day. It was out sunny at the morning, I guess. It was sunny in the morning, but it started raining. It got cloudy and it started raining, and right now it's like fresh, so I love it. This is just the primer, the fill primer, so I need to come back and sand this. But it's sprayed on pretty good. It's barely drying, you can see it. But once we come back tomorrow and start sanding all this, everything's gonna be dry by then. We'll hit it up with the 320, and then after that we'll just seal it, the primer sealer, and then the base coat, black crystal diamond, and then the clear coat, the glamour clear. So that's gonna be it for tonight. Okay guys, so here are the parts that we just painted. The tailgate had, you know, like a few little places that needed work on, so you know, I worked on it just as best as I could, and everything looks pretty good. Second over here is the grill. This one V8 Nation just told me just to color match it, and there's a metallic pearl. I color matched the center of the grill also. And as for the emblem, V8 Nation had already color matched, or he had painted his emblem black, and it looks pretty decent, so I'm just going to use it as is. I'm just going to install it there. Over here I have the front bumper. This front bumper had a lot of rock chips, so I sanded it down as best as I could, and I threw some high fill primer and sanded that down, sealer, base coat clear, and now it looks pretty decent. Really good, really nice. Again, everything's all dry already. I might come back and just sand it down with a 25 3000 or something, and then just polish it maybe. And over here are the fender flares. These are some fender flares that were left over from my last project Silverado that I painted with the single stage. So these were left over. I just thought they would look pretty good on V8 Nation's truck. We talked about it, and I just decided, you know, just go ahead and paint them. You know, so I same treatment, high fill primer, super seal, the sealer, the base coat clear, and here they are, ready. So I'm gonna cut the video right here, guys, because I'm gonna go ahead and just start installing these parts back on the truck. I'll have one more video that I want to show you guys, because check this out. Right here are the headlights. These are faded. They're sun baked like really bad. Look at that. Now that's just the plastic. I'm gonna try to sand these down and, you know, spray some clear over this, and hopefully we can get them looking a little bit better than this. Same thing goes for the parking lights. Look at this, yellowing. Now you see that they are cracked, so that there is nothing that I can do about that. So even if I re-clear them, they are gonna look, you know, cracked. But, you know, just gonna try to do as best as I can, you know, get them looking pretty good. Because I have polished, or I have re-cleared some headlights before, but I don't think in the channel, so I just want to leave those for the channel, you know, have that content. But other than that, I'm going to install these also on the truck, since all of these are already dry. So all this is already dry, so ready to go back in the truck. I also have another video that I'm going to work on, you know, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. That's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.